Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. You can tell by the title. It's my favorite time of the year. It's FabFitFun time. I am so excited. You guys know I am a huge fan of FabFitFun. I have been a subscriber of their boxes for I think almost 3 years now. 2018? Yeah, 3 years. So I am super excited because my favorite season of all is right around the corner. Fall is my time of the year. And so I am so excited that my fall FabFitFun box is here. I'm gonna take you guys through it. We're gonna talk through everything. I'm gonna tell you what's in it, how much everything is, and then of course at the end, I'll tell you how much the total value of it all and how much I paid for it. First off, every box has a charity or foundation that they work with. This season's box is Art in Action. And Art in Action brings into K-8 classrooms engaging visual art lessons that inspire critical thinking and creativity. And right now, I think that is something that is so needed in every single class for these kids. Their art education programs provide hands-on art projects which awaken a child's imagination, engages their senses, and builds self-esteem. Art in Action believes that art education is a fundamental right that all students deserve, regardless of social economic circumstances. It empowers children to express their unique ideas and voices. So something so incredibly important and a great message to have out there. Are you guys ready to see this box? I'm ready to see this box. I have not opened this yet. I've been waiting for you guys. I have saved this for y'all. So, should we take a look at the outside of the box first? You guys, it has leaves on it, beautiful colors. I love these fall colors. It's getting us ready. I love it. It's very simple, which I love about their boxes, but it still has that creativity to it. And you guys, this is, I mean, the leaves go all over the place. It's beautiful. I'm excited to open this. Oh my God. Look at all of it. I love that. I love it. Okay, so of course at the top, we have our FabFitFun card and a code that we can give away to people for $15 off. And of course, you guys, I love these. They have their magazine that they include at the top of every box. And inside is a list of all the products that FabFitFun did for this season, as well as like recipes, information about the products, workouts you can do with the products that are in this season. And then of course they have stuff that we can try to get a trip. Try to win a little trip out of all of it, guys. All right, opening this. ASMR unboxing right there. Along with this stuff that I just showed you guys, they have some other stuff for us. $60 credit for Bright Sellers, HelloFresh code, and a Nourish code as well. And Nourish, HelloFresh, and Bright Sellers, you can always guarantee that you will find these three in every single box, which is really cool because it just gives us an opportunity to work with other brands that they support and love as well. Okay. I want to start off with my one add-on that I did for this box, and I donated $10 to Art in Action. Like I love to donate to the different charities each time, so I donated $10, and this is towards their Healing Through Art lessons that they do for the kids. So I don't even know where to begin. So we're going to start with this Our House Waffle Knit Throw Blanket, and you guys, this is $60. So I'm going to take it out once again. ASMR right here, guys. It's some really cute faces for me trying to open stuff. All right, so this blanket is this beautiful hunter green too. And I love Our House. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. But I love this waffle knit blanket. It's 50 inches by 60 inches. I don't want to take it out and completely unravel it because that's just an ultimate disaster. But it's a beautiful color, guys. Like that is, I love that green because that green just screams fall to me. And it goes with my outfit that I'm wearing right now. But this is such a beautiful blanket, and I cannot wait to unravel this and sit with this on the couch tonight as I'm watching a movie. Okay, so I'm a super, I love having people over for dinner. I love playing games and asking people random questions and finding things out about people. So As soon as I saw this, I was like, yep, we're getting this. This is Talking Tables trivia box. This is food and drink. It's like, it says after dinner. And this was $25. 120 food and drink questions, a selection of the finest trivia for foodies. Yes. So it comes in just these little blocks. Which state is the #1 dairy producer in the US? Anybody? California, generating around 1/5 of all US milk. So it's just these really cool cards, and you go in here and there's a bunch of different questions about food. The Hershey Company, commonly known as Hershey, was founded in which US state? Do y'all know? Pennsylvania. So just a little fun little game to have in the house. And like when we have guests over and we like to play stuff, like why not ask our foodie friends because I do have some foodie friends, some food questions. All right, next thing in here, which I was actually really surprised this was a customization item in FabFitFun's box. So what I got is these Coach open circle necklace and T-rose stud set. And this was $125. So the earrings are the T-rose and then you have the open circle, but they're just, it's a nice, super beautiful little combination here. And I love these. It's so simple. And it does have the Coach certifications with it, guys. Like this is real Coach, it's not fake. So such a beautiful combination, and I love these. It's a nice little rose gold too. So super, super beautiful. All right, next thing I have in here are these Fry bamboo boot socks. And I have a pair of Fry boots. I've had a pair of Fry boots for almost 6 years now. They're like my go-to fall boots, and I love them. And they're expensive. So I'm very careful about, like, I treat them really well. But Fry makes really nice leather. They make really nice products. And these are, oh my God, you guys, these are super soft. These are not like any boot socks that I have. Like this is a different material. This feels really, really nice. And so it's a bamboo blend, and that's probably why it feels so nice. And so there's a gray and a black combo right here. And so these were $24, and it's a 2-pack, and the sizes are size 5 to 10, which is perfect because I'm an 8.5. But these are, oh my God, I can't wait to wear these because these are going to be so nice in those boots. But really nice. One of the really cool things that FabFitFun has been doing is on the last couple of recent boxes they've been doing for customization items is like bundles. So it's 3 items bundled together for a price. So I did one of the bundles again for a customization item. So I did the 2 Bandits, the Zoe Alea, and the Earth Harbor bundle, and this was a total of $92.99. And so I'm gonna show you, this is the full bundle right here, and I'm gonna walk you guys through what's in it. So this first thing, the 2 Bandits, it's a tiered catch-all tray. And what's really, really nice about this, and this will be perfect right next to my jewelry box because I have a lot of just different little trays. Spreads out. Put some rings, put bracelets. If you want to put it on your desk and use it in that way, you can do that the same way. But it's just a nice little catch-all tray. This is bamboo right here, but it's nice. And then, of course, you can collapse it back into one standing item. And it will even protect those items that you put in the tray. So this is just really nice, and I was really excited about this. I was like, my jewelry box is going right next to my jewelry box, so I already knew what it was going to be used for. The other part of that bundle, we got the Zoe Alea. This is an eco-friendly comb set, and it's 2 combs in here. I love how this looks, just in general. This is a really, really beautiful boxing. So inside, oh my God, I love the coloring. This is the large tooth comb, small tooth comb, but I love the coloring. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Oh my God, you guys, this will go super, I'm not gonna brush my hair in front of you guys because that's just weird, but this will go so perfectly together. I love this. I love these combs. That's gonna be super helpful for me. The last thing is this Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. And you guys, I've gotten this before and I love this stuff. You guys have seen this here on a few other boxes. But I love this stuff, and I was so happy to get it again because it is such a beautiful product to use. I love Earth Harbor, and this Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule is really cool product that I am super excited to have more of because it is beautiful on the skin. All right, the last thing in here, all-purpose packable backpack, and this is $60. What I love, so it comes in this pouch. It's got this, you can hook it on to whatever you want to, wherever you want to, in a suitcase or whatever it may be. On the inside, we got some cheetah guides going. It unfolds. There's your backpack. So you can fold it up and put it back into that exact same pocket like I just did. But it's a really cute, just little backpack. It's got the water bottle holder over here. You've got pockets right here and on this side, along with another water bottle. You've got a small little pocket right here that you can just drop stuff into. And it even opens up. You got shoe straps right here. Boom, baby. And you've got more pockets and space in here. Like, you guys, you saw what I just opened up, and it turned into this big, awesome backpack. How cool is that? That was super cool, and I can't wait to use this because this has all kinds of storage and pockets and things like that, and that is what I need in a backpack. So, super excited about that. All right, you guys, I showed you all the products that came in this box, had a few surprises, and I'm ready to tell you how much this whole box was. The total value of everything in this box, $386.99. $386.99. Do you know how much I paid for this? I'm an annual member, so I paid $180 for all 4 boxes. All 4 boxes. And this one was $386. If I was to suggest any box to you guys, I would suggest subscribing to FabFitFun because, I mean, they go over the top, and I love everything that they send us and that all the opportunities we get to work with different charities. They have different things in this FabFitFun community that we get to be a part of: book clubs, cooking clubs. They have workout videos, all these different things that allow you to have more opportunities to just get more out of their subscription. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below. Everything that you saw in this video will be linked down below, as well as Art in Action, so you guys can go donate some money to them and become a follower of them. As always, guys, I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.